हेलो फ्रेंड्स। आज की इस क्लास में मैं आपको बताने वाली हूँ कैसे हम एआई से वीडियो जनरेट करते हैं और उसमें एडिटिंग करते हैं और कैसे हम उसमें अलग अलग इमेजेस को ऐड कर सकते हैं। तो जैसे कि आप मेरी स्क्रीन पर देख पा रहे हो, मैंने एक सॉफ्टवेयर ओपन करा हुआ है जिसका नाम है इन वीडियो एआई। हम इस इन वीडियो एआई की हेल्प से अपना एक टॉपिक जनरेट कर सकते हैं। सपोज मुझे एक टॉपिक जनरेट करना है, उसके लिए मुझे एक राइटिंग लेनी है। तो उस राइटिंग के लिए हम सिंपली गूगल पर जाकर चैट जीपीटी से अपना कंटेंट रेडी कर सकते हैं। चैट जीपीटी अगर आपको यूज करनी है तो सबसे पहले आपको चैट जीपीटी को अपनी आईडी से लॉगिन करना होगा। लॉगिन करने के बाद आपके पास चैट जीपीटी कुछ इस टाइप में यहाँ पर शो होगी। अब जो भी टॉपिक आपको लेना है उस टॉपिक के रिगार्डिंग आपको यहाँ पर टाइपिंग करनी है। जैसे मुझे एक सैनिटरी पैड के रिगार्डिंग एक टॉपिक लेना है, तो मैंने वही टॉपिक यहाँ पे लिखा, पैड। एंड मुझे चाहिए एक टॉपिक। सो मैं यहाँ पर मेंशन कर देती हूँ कि मुझे गिव मी आ 1 minute वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट regarding sanitary pad and use soft and care name। अब जो कुछ भी हमने मेंशन करा है ये मुझे रेस्पॉन्स देगा। जो रेस्पॉन्स आपको ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है उसको आप यहाँ से कॉपी करेंगे। अब इसने वीडियो स्क्रिप्ट में पूरा सीन 1 सीन 2 सीन 3 करके प्रॉपरली यहाँ पर शो करा है। बट अगर आपको बिल्कुल ऐसा ही लेना है तब आप ऐसा कर सकते हो। बट अगर आपको एक पैराग्राफ में चाहिए तो आप यहाँ पे टाइप कर सकते हो, आई वॉन्ट इन 1 पैरा। कि मुझे कोई भी सीन 2 सीन 3 नहीं लेना है, वो सब काम एआई का है। वो एआई, बिकॉज आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक इट by AI. So I will just mention here that I want it in 1 paragraph. So first of all, I'm going to select it, copy. One more time, I'm telling you, go to ChatGPT, type your content writing, title, and just mention here, copy it. Now just come here on InVideo AI, do the right click and paste. After doing paste here, click on generate a video. When you will click here on generate a video option, then it will analyze your video that exactly what you want. After analyzing it, it will take few minutes, at least it will take 30 seconds to 1 minute. And after that, it will put a few questions like which type of video you want to create. It's a TikTok video, Instagram reel, or YouTube video. After giving all the options, it will take at least 5 minutes for generating this video. Till then, this video is generating. We can log in with Canva. This is a well-known software. With the help of this Canva, you can create any type of videos. So for this, I have logged in at this Canva with my ID. As you can see here, Rati Dastogi. Now, I just want to create an Instagram reel. So I will click on Instagram, means create a design. And whatever the topic you want to create, I just want to create a reel. So by default, I will choose Instagram reel because this reel will be valid for TikTok, YouTube, and Shorts also. Till then, let me check. Still, its processing is going on. I think it will take fully 1 minute. Now, we will come here. As you can see, my page length and width, that is perfectly fine as per the Instagram reel. Now here I just want to upload my logo and few pictures which I want to attach here. So I will go to upload option. Here you can see images, videos and audios. Right now I just want to download my image. So I will click here on upload file. When I will click on upload file, your window will open and from here you can take your logo, whatever it is. So if you have your logo, so you can take from here. Otherwise, you can also create it in Canva if you want to create the logo. I will share the link of that video so that you can do. Right now, I'm taking my logo. Suppose many logos are here, so I'm going to take a particular one. Okay, let me take the previous one. That will be fine. Fine. So I'm taking this logo. My logo is here. After that, if you want to take the video, go to upload file and the video which you have downloaded, you can take that one. So I have already many videos. Come to the download option and just choose any one video. For example, I'm going to take this video. So my video will be also here. Like this, you can upload images and video with the help of this upload option. Now let's come back to in video AI. It is asking few questions that how much seconds your video. I want 30 seconds video, 1 minute. I want 30-second video. So don't forget to click on stock media. If you will click on generative media, so it will be pro, you have to purchase. If you will click on stock media, so you can choose 30 seconds as per your choice. I want to make it especially for women and it is Instagram reel. After selecting all these things, just click here on this continue option. Now within 1 minute, your video will be ready as an Instagram reel. Now, till then, my processing is going on. I'm just coming here on in video, means Canva. Now, first of all, I just want to upload the video. So, uh, let's come here. Suppose I want to take this video. I'm taking this one. Now, just set it on the whole screen with the help of this. Now, here, in place of this, I just want to mention my logo. Come to the element option. After this, just type here frame. I want to set my logo in a circle frame. So click on this see all option. So you will get different shapes, but I want this circle. So I'm taking the same. Come to the upload option here. Click on the images. When you will come to the images, you will get here your logo. As I have downloaded my logo already, so I'm going to take that one. After taking your logo, you just simply move it and then it will set here automatically. Let me search my logo where it is. Okay. Okay. So it's hard to check, means a lots of images are here. Okay, come on. Till then I'm searching my logo. Just check. Processing is 19%, 20% because I have to stay on this page, then it will be 100%. So let's wait. Now it's paused because I have shifted to another window. So I have to keep on this window. So now as you can see here, my video is ready. It is looking properly as we have taken the size for Instagram Reels. So it is in the same way. Let me play it. So here you can see. So it's looking proper. Now click on this download option. After clicking on download, click on stop watermark, normal, and click on continue. When you will click here on continue, then it will take at least 30 seconds for downloading it. Okay. Now, when it will come to download, till then I'm just coming here and I'm going to take my logo. Now, just move this logo. It will set in the circle automatically. One more time I'm showing you. Let me undo it. At this time, I have taken this frame. Now I want to set it. Click on this logo and then you just move it simply. It will automatically set in the circle. And now wherever you want, you can set it. Now, I just want to take that video which we have downloaded. One more time, come to upload file. And the video which I have made with the help of InVideo AI, that is here. So I'm going to take that video. As you can see, it's moving on. Let it be download. Okay. Like this, you can set your logo. Like this, you can add the image. Now, I just want to add one image in this. Suppose my video is this. Now, in the last, I just want to add one image. I'm clicking on the new page. Come to the image option. And whatever the image you want to add, you can add that image. Suppose I want to add this one. I'm taking this and you can set this image on your screen. If you want to fill the color with the help of this, you can also fill the color in this. So the background color will be filled. Okay, like this, you can create the video, you can add your logo, and you can also add the picture. And if in place of this, if you want to add this picture in between of this, suppose my video is from here to here, and in between of this video, I want to add one picture. Then place your mouse here, do the right click, and then click on split page. When you will click on split page, then your video will come in two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. Now place your mouse here in between. Then one option will come and then you can add here one more page. So if you want to add your page here in between of this, you can add that one also. And with the help of this scale, you can make it large or you can make it small. This is for increasing. I'm just clicking here on add page. Now between of this video, I just want to add one more picture. So, or one more video, this is your choice, whatever you want. Suppose I want to add this one. I'm adding this. Now you can see, first of all, my this video will play. And after that, this video will play and then again it will come. Let me show you. The first video has played. Now the second video, which we have set it down, it will move. And after that, again, it will come to my old video, as you can see here. And in the last, it will show you your image. So in this way, you can add your video or image in between or in the last, or also if you want, you can set in the starting also. Okay. I hope till here everything is clear that how to generate the video with in video AI, how to add the images, how to add the picture. Now you can see the video which I have generated. It is here. You can take it if you want. And here you can use different types of items, whatever you want. Suppose I have taken it. Remember, if you want to do, it is saying soft and care. Okay, so I just want to add here the image of soft and care. So if you have your image, then you can choose this one. But I'm just making here sanitary pad. And after that, come to graphics. You can set here your image. Again, I'm telling you in the circle or in any shape. Otherwise, you can choose any image for few seconds. Suppose I just want to take the image, this one. For example, I'm taking this and I want it will come for few seconds, not continuously on this video. Okay, so what I will do, I will just do the right click on this and click on timing. When you will click on the timing, then you can set it. For example, I'm just clicking here and it is showing timing. Now, this is the timing and I want to set it for few seconds. So just make it till here. And I want that it will come in between. Now, when I'm going to play it, now see, it has come for a few seconds as I have used it as my image. Now, after that, it is going here. In between of this, if you want to add the image of your product, again, same thing I'm telling you, do the right click on it, click on split page, and again, place your mouse here, click on plus, and here you can add your videos or you can add your picture, whatever you want. Suppose right now I want to take this one. It will come here. And I just want to make it for a few seconds. So because it is for 14 seconds, but I just want to cut it from here to here. So just place your mouse here and then you can cut this video. Now you can see when I'm playing it, first of all, the image will come. That one I have taken. After that, the normal video will come. And then the video which we have taken, that will come. And after that, again, it will start. Okay, I hope till here everything is clear. Just try with this and don't forget to click on share, download, MP4 and again click on the download. Okay, I hope everything is clear. So it's enough for today. Rest we will do in the next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Before ending this session, I just want to tell you one more thing that as you can see here, everything is okay. But if I'm playing this video, so no voice is here. See, here is audio, but in this video, no audio is there. So if you want to add here any audio, you can also generate it. For this. Just click here on Google Bignet option. This is a free AI version. After that, you will just choose the audio that here 50 English 50 languages are here total. I have taken English. You can choose as per your choice, Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi, USA, English, and at all. You can choose any of them. After that, when I will click on it, you just type your topic, that what you want. So I already copied that one. I'm doing the same thing, copy and paste. And I want, it will convert it in the audio. Click here on convert now. First of all, choose the voice. After choosing the voice, copy and paste your topic. Otherwise, you can do typing as per your choice. And after that, just click here on this convert now. When you will click on convert now, it will take few minutes for converting your audio, and then you can use it anywhere. Okay, I hope this part is also clear. Remember, the option is Google BigNet. I will share this link to you so that you can remember it. Okay, one more time. I hope everything is clear. Now you just try and then share it to me. And if you have any doubt, you can also ask. Now, bye-bye.